Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make these kind of resin accessories. Here I'm using Epocart resin, which is 3:1 ratio. You need to mix 3 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. Example, if you're using 30 grams of resin, then you need to add 10 grams of hardener. Use a kitchen scale to measure and mix it very slowly. Take some resin in small cups and then add alcohol inks. Here I am using these 4 colors. These are Drizzy molds which are trending now. You can take these kind of silicone molds and then spread the colored resin. Here I am just spreading all the 4 colors on the Drizzy mold. Apply a thick layer on the Drizzy mold. And also ensure that once you mix the resin with the alcohol inks, allow it for at least 4 to 5 hours to thicken up. After 24 hours, you can demold it. Drill a hole using manual driller and then attach jump rings to it and attach the cord. Next, take a thin binding wire. These are golden binding wires. Roll it on any object like this and then tighten it up. Place the binding wire on the plastic sheet and then apply resin mixed with alcohol inks. After about 9 hours, you can just remove it out of the plastic sheet and then trim off any excess resin. You can stick the pieces on the clips as shown. Next, I am showing how to make a keychain. First, take some resin and then add glow in the dark powders. Here I am using lemon yellow glow in the dark powder. Add some glow in the dark powders to the resin and mix well. This is sleeping baby mold. Add the colored resin to the mold and allow it for at least 24 hours to dry. After 24 hours, you can demold it from the mold. Drill a hole using manual driller and then insert eye screws and attach keychain. This is how it looks in the night. Next, I am showing how to make a bookmark. Add some glitters to the resin and mix well. Add some colored pigments to the resin and mix well. Here I am using red, orange, black and white. These are bookmark mold. Add some clear resin to the mold. On one side you can add glitter mixed with resin and on another side you can add some colored pigments as shown. Allow it completely to dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can demold it. And your bookmark is ready. Pour some clear resin into the jewelry molds and then add drops of Beyond Inks alcohol inks. These are normal alcohol inks. You just need to add drop by drop as shown. Next, take some clear resin in a small cup and then add 2 to 3 drops of Epoch Mystic Blue color. After adding 2 to 3 drops of Mystic Blue, add white mica powder, followed by 2 drops of Beyond Ink White Sinker. Mix it well. Pour it as shown and then using a stick make some designs. After about 24 hours, you can demold it. You can see some creations of mushroom designs on it. Attach it to the closed bezel and you can use it as a pendant. I just love this one. Take a glue gun and then make a shape of an apple on the plastic sheet. Take some clear resin and then add some colored glitters to it. You can spread the resin mixed with colored glitters as shown. After about 24 hours, you can demold it. Sand it well using sandpaper. After sanding, apply a coat of clear resin. You can convert the pieces into a keychain or a pendant. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you will be notified with the message.